Good day, everyone. Today, I will talk about the theme Emerging Technologies in Agriculture, Opportunities, Risk, and Responsibility with a focus on genetically modified organisms or GMOs. GMOs are crops that have been scientifically modified to improve their traits. Through biotechnology, scientists can develop plants that resist pest, tolerant drought, and produce higher yields. In a world of facing climate change, population growth, and food insecurity, GMOs offer great opportunities for agriculture. Farmers can reduce crop losses, use fewer chemical pesticides, and produce more food to meet the needs of growing communities. For example, GMO corn and rice can survive harsh environmental conditions and protect harvest from destructive insects. This helps farmers save money and increase productivity. In some cases, GMOs can even improve nutrition, just as rice enriched with vitamin A to help fight malnutrition. However, despite these benefits, GMOs also bring risk and concerns. Some people worry about possible long-term effects on human health and the environment. There are concerns about loss or biodiversity, dependence on large seed companies, and ethical issues regarding genetic modification. These challenges reminds us that technology must be used carefully and responsibly. As future citizens and leaders, we must balance innovation with responsibility. Emerging technologies like GMOs should not only focus on profit and productivity, but also on safety, fairness, and sustainability. By using science wisely and ethical, we can create an agricultural future that benefits both people and the planet. And thank you.